Hello, welcome back to Hungry Forever's kitchen. I'm Amita and today in our kitchen we're bottling up some fruity sweetness that'll go down really well with bread, chapatis, dosas and even puris. It's a luscious, gooey tomato jam with a hint of lemon and just the right pinch of cinnamon. Have you got those taste buds drooling yet? Good, then let's get stirring. For your easy spread tomato jam, you will need 500 grams tomatoes, 300 grams sugar or more or less according to your preferences, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Set a pot of water on the stove and wait for it to boil. Tip: a watched pot never boils. Once the water starts bubbling, drop in the tomatoes and go away again so that the tomatoes can boil in peace. At that point where the tomato skins start bursting, you can take it off the stove and cool before you skin them. Puree these skinned tomatoes and put them back in a pan on the stove. Once it shows signs of boiling, add the salt, lemon juice, cinnamon powder and sugar and stir well to make sure the sugar melts evenly and combines with the tomato juice. Wait till the jam reaches a thick but liquid consistency. This time you do need to watch the pot or the sugar will crystallize, making the jam harden. Let it bubble for 2 minutes and take it off the stove to cool before bottling. So now you have a lovely bottle of tomato jam on your shelf. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more like it. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and meanwhile check out our other videos right here.